Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of paying your Kohl's bill online using mykohlscharge.com. Whether you're a first-time user or need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive straight into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to mykohlscharge.com. This is the official site for managing your Kohl's credit card account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login section. If you already have an account, enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Register option to create a new one. After logging in or registering, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your account balances and any upcoming payment due dates. To make a payment, find and select the Payments option from the menu. This will take you to the Payment section, where you can enter the amount you wish to pay. Next, choose your payment method. You can either pay using your bank account information or with a debit or credit card. Enter the required information based on your selected payment method. Once you've filled out the payment details, review the information to ensure everything is correct. Then, proceed to finalize your payment by clicking the Submit button. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation of your payment. It's a good practice to save or print this confirmation for your records. And that's it! You've successfully paid your Kohl's bill online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.